So the roof came off. You know how when the parents go, they screaming. Like, everybody going crazy, don't know what to do. We ran. I ran through my brother's door. Then his room was the only room with left in the house because everything was broke down. So everywhere we went, it's like the storm followed us, like it followed us. All I heard is poof, 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 like the wind. They were smashing windows. And the ground on the branch. And so it's like, I ain't going, because it was dark then. We don't know where to go. So I told my parents I ain't going until 5, 6 in the morning until we could see where to go. And the wall was like up there, you know. So I used the flashlight walking. While I walking, that's when I dropped and broke my shoulder. I think God sent us to the branch for a reason.
Yeah, for sure.
So if we would have walked that way,
it would have just more and more water.
Yeah, because thing happened for a reason. So,
you made it.
We made it.
Thanks for sharing your story.